Hello dear students, and once again I welcome all of you to my English YouTube channel. Friends, previously we were talking about what is active voice and what is passive voice. Through the concept, we tried to understand both the concepts of active and passive. Now, through this video, today we are going to talk about active and passive voice of the particular tense. Yes, today we are going to talk about the passive voice of simple present tense. Means how to turn any sentence of simple present tense into a passive by using the proper and particular formula. Friends, formulas are most important, and through that formula you can turn any assertive sentence into passive. So without wasting much time, let us start our today's topic, that is passive voice of simple present tense. At very first, let us try to understand the question statement. I write a poem. Once again, I write a poem, and we know better it stands as a subject. Write, it is main verb first, therefore it is known as the verb of our sentence, and a poem, it is called as object of this sentence. Friends, subject plus verb plus object, actually this construction it is specially used in active voice. Now, how to turn the same active sentence into passive voice? Let us try to understand directly with the answer of this question. Here, a poem is written by me. Friends, answer is a poem is written by me. And for this answer, the below formula we have used systematically. Check out the formula. Object plus is oblique R plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject. Once again, object, that is a poem, is or are, we have used is, main verb 3, it is right through and written, by to connect the subject of the sentence, and later me, and that is known as the subject of the passive sentence. Once again, through the formula, let us try to understand what particular formula of passive voice it is used in simple present tense. Yes, passive formula of simple present tense, and the passive formula is object plus is oblique R plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject. Once again, object plus is oblique R plus main verb 3 plus by plus subject. Dear friends, now let us try to understand the two verbs, the two helping verbs, either is or are, how to use and where we have to apply in the proper answers. Yes, if our object, most important thing, if the object of a question statement, if it is in plural, surely we have to use are. And in case suppose object of a sentence it is in singular, surely that time we are going to use is in our answer or in our passive construction. Yes, examples are we accept debit cards. Once again, we accept debit cards. Now it is very easy to identify subject, verb and object. We, it stands as a subject. Accept, it stands as the main verb first of our sentence, and debit cards, isn't it? Debit cards, it is the object of this question statement. Yes, debit cards, it is in plural case. Therefore, our object of this sentence, it is in plural, and therefore answer, yes, once again through the formula, we are going to write our answer, object, debit cards, it is in plural, therefore are, debit cards are, main verb 3 of accept, that is accept, accepted and accepted, therefore debit cards are accepted by whom? So by us. Yes, once again, that is, yes, us is known as the objective case of we. Therefore, debit cards are accepted by us. Let us try to understand the next and the second example, that is, he writes a letter every day. Yes, very simple sentence. He writes a letter every day, and the answer we have written, the object we have taken at very first, that is a letter, isn't it? A letter, it is in singular, therefore is, and that will be a letter is. Once again, try to find out the main verb 3 of the given word, that is write, and therefore it will be write, wrote and written, isn't it? Write, wrote and written, and therefore a letter is, after helping verb we have to apply MV3, that is written by him every day. Yes, him, it is known as, isn't it? That is known as objective case of pronoun he. Every time we have to use objective cases, yes, while turning any sentence into passive. Friends, I hope through this small explanation you people might have understood how to turn any active sentence into a passive by using particular formula. Today we have talked about the passive voice of simple present tense, but in our upcoming videos we are going to open the passive voice of the different tenses of English grammar. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.